Shadow work is a concept that might sound mysterious, but it's simpler than it appears. It involves exploring the hidden parts of your personality. These parts are often referred to as the shadow. The term was coined by Carl Jung, a famous psychologist. Your shadow includes aspects of yourself that you may not be fully aware of. These hidden parts can be negative traits like anger or jealousy. They can also be positive traits like creativity or passion that you've suppressed. Recognizing these parts helps you understand yourself better. This process of self-discovery can be deeply transformative. The goal is to bring these hidden aspects into the light. When you do so, you can integrate them into your conscious self. This integration helps you become a more balanced individual. Shadow work is about healing and growth. Why does shadow work matter? First, it helps you understand your true self. We often wear masks to fit into society. These masks can hide who we really are. By doing shadow work, you peel away these layers. You start to see your genuine self. Second, shadow work can improve your relationships. When you know yourself, you can relate to others more authentically. You become more empathetic and understanding. People around you will notice the change and respond positively. Third, it helps you deal with negative emotions. Instead of ignoring or suppressing them, you face them head-on. This makes you emotionally stronger. You learn to cope better with stress and anxiety. Lastly, shadow work boosts your personal growth. By facing your fears and weaknesses, you become more resilient. You gain confidence and self-esteem. This growth impacts all areas of your life, from your career to your personal relationships. Starting shadow work might seem daunting, but it's manageable with a step-by-step approach. Here's how you can begin. Step 1. Self-reflection. Start by spending some quiet time alone. Reflect on your emotions and reactions. Ask yourself why you feel a certain way in different situations. Step 2. Journaling. Write down your thoughts and feelings. Journaling helps you see patterns in your behavior. It's a safe space to explore your inner world. Step 3. Meditation. Meditation helps you connect with your inner self. It calms your mind and allows suppressed emotions to surface. Start with 5 minutes a day and gradually increase the time. Step 4. Seek feedback. Ask close friends or family for feedback about your behavior. They can offer insights that you might miss. Be open to what they say, even if it's hard to hear. Step 5. Professional help. Consider speaking with a therapist. They can guide you through the process. Professionals have tools and techniques that can make shadow work more effective. Section 4. The benefits of shadow work. Shadow work brings several real-life benefits. First, it leads to better self-awareness. You understand your strengths and weaknesses. This awareness is the foundation of personal growth. Second, it improves emotional health. By facing your hidden emotions, you release pent-up stress. You become more emotionally balanced. This balance reduces anxiety and depression. Third, shadow work enhances creativity. When you integrate suppressed parts of yourself, you free up mental space. This space can be used for creative thinking and problem solving. Fourth, it strengthens your relationships. When you understand yourself, you communicate better. You become more empathetic and compassionate. This understanding fosters deeper connections with others. Section 5. Key points. Summary. Shadow work is the process of exploring your hidden self. It involves recognizing and integrating suppressed parts of your personality. This practice is essential for personal growth. It helps you understand your true self. It improves your relationships and emotional health. Starting shadow work involves self-reflection, journaling, meditation, seeking feedback, and possibly professional help. Each step helps you uncover hidden aspects of yourself. These steps are manageable and can be done at your own pace. The benefits of shadow work include better self-awareness, improved emotional health, enhanced creativity, and stronger relationships. These benefits impact all areas of your life positively. Section 6. Encouragement to start your journey. Shadow work might seem challenging, but it's worth the effort. The journey of self-discovery is one of the most rewarding paths you can take. Start small and be patient with yourself. Remember, it's a gradual process. You'll find that as you continue, your life begins to change in meaningful ways. You become more authentic and true to yourself. Your relationships improve, and you experience more inner peace. So take the first step today. Reflect on your emotions and start journaling. Remember, it's okay to seek help if you need it. Your journey towards a more balanced and fulfilling life begins with shadow work. Embrace the process and watch yourself transform.